You can't please everyone. In fact, if you are pleasing everyone, you're probably not doing much because the more you do, the more people you're not going to please. And trust me, the problem is not you, it's them. Take care of the people who take care of you, and you won't care what the rest of the world thinks or says. And some people just live to criticize, condemn, and complain, and there's nothing you're going to do about it. And if you take a look at their life, you see it really, really sucks. And go on Facebook for a while. All you see on there is people bitching about something. Some people just live the bitch. The world's full of them. So ignore them and move on, because that's all you can do. You got to develop an alligator skin, meaning you got to get tough. I don't care what people say. I do what I do. I try to keep all the promises that I make, and I like to get all the elephants out front, be clear on everything before we get far in it. And if that's not good enough for the other people, then, let them bitch. I won't even know they're bitching. And the more money you make, the less you'll care about what the morons think. And that is true. Trust me.